with Shay. Listen, this is my what I spent in May video. I know it's like stupid late, but I did want to get it up for those of you who do like watching these type of videos. And so I'm gonna try to make this video super quick. I'll also insert pictures of all of the hauls that I did. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hauls. Was it 9? Yeah, 9 hauls for May. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well so you never miss on a video. So we're gonna make this quick. Again, I'll insert pictures of the hauls as well. And so for May, it was actually pretty good. I didn't use a lot of coupons. I think 2 of my hauls incorporated CVS deals, so I did have, you know, digitals and CRT, so that's where a lot of the coupons that I have is from that. And so out of my 9 hauls for May, the total was $1,089.30. We had $40 even for coupons, and then my sales tax was $58.99, and it brought the out-of-pocket to $1,108.29. Okay, that was the out-of-pocket, $1,108. As y'all know, with the out-of-pocket, we are just rolling rebate money. So for the most part, all of them are cashing out to either Venmo or PayPal, which is taking it back to cash, which is always best for me. I know that lately there's been issues with PayPal. And so for the sister apps, I've been having to cash out with Walmart gift cards. And so, yeah, pretty much we're just rolling the rebate money back into more deals. Never using your own money. If you can do that, I mean, I think that's like the ideal, like best way to do it, is to be able to roll your rebate money so that way it's not like really affecting your real money. I'm just gonna tell you guys my top 3 because it's always easier that way. My top 1 for May was actually Shopkick. It was $343.92. And for that, y'all, I literally had to go through all of my history and add everything up. For me, that's like the most accurate way to do it. So that way I'm counting all of the scanned kicks and everything. And so $343.92 from Shopkick. Number 2 was Ibotta, and they were actually really close, like really close. Ibotta was $343.23. And I do the same thing with with Ibotta. I do is I add up all of my cash outs. So I add up all of my PayPal cash outs and all of the gift card cash outs. I don't do gift cards too often though. And then number 3 was Swagbucks at $146.83. Those are my top 3. Now for aisles, which a lot of it is Rockstar for a lot of you guys that have used my link. And for that, I always get back another $5 offer when you guys use my link. And so, and then we had other deals, I'm sure, as well, other than that. So we got back a total of $214.72. Only, let me see, which one didn't I use? Merryfield was only $228. So that one I only used 1 time. I think the previous month I didn't use it at all. And then Frisbee was $502. And Flavor Wiki was $4. So those were the ones that were the lowest. In the comments, what app do you use the absolute least? Okay, which one do you use the most and which one do you use the least? For me, the one I use the least is by far Merryfield. And the one I use the absolute most is Ibotta. All right. Which honestly, I feel like with the way that things have been going like lately in these last couple hauls, I feel like, I don't know what's gonna happen as far as my midweek video tomorrow, because I haven't even started getting that video or getting the deals together for that. So, and I didn't even get a midweek bonus anyways, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with that. But I do use Ibotta more than any of the other apps. And so the total for everything that I got back between all of the apps. That's Ibotta, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, ShopMe, Alexa. I told you guys, I've been trying to remind you guys that Alexa is ending officially October 10th, and they're gonna stop adding new offers as of, I want to say, was it June or July the 10th, I want to say. So just activate all offers, like I'm sure you normally do. Activate all offers, and just, yeah, it's gonna suck because I absolutely love Alexa. Like, I love Amazon, I absolutely do. So I'm definitely gonna miss it. I use the Walmart app for Walmart rewards. I have videos up on how to use that. I'll probably link one in the description. Checkout 51, Tada, Brand Club, Fetch Reward, Merryfield, Frisbee, Flavor Wiki. Of course, all of our mini aisles offers. Social Nature. There was also a sample offer that we did in May. I did a Target deal. There was an active reward deal, and then there was a P&G deal. So the total that I got back for everything was $1,752.72, you guys. So I got back $1,700, y'all. That's crazy. Like, I've said this before, like, that's a mortgage. Well, it's not my mortgage, but that's a mortgage. Let me see, that's probably like, that's the mortgage, the car insurance, the car note, and probably like the cell phone. All of that, you guys. And we got that back doing rebates, which is crazy, right? When you think about it like that. So getting back $1,752.72 minus what we paid, which was $11.0829. It makes everything for the month of May a $644.43 moneymaker, y'all, which is really, really awesome. The only thing that I wanted to add was as far as Social Nature. They have yet to get back to me as far as being able to resend the email for the Shard, which was $548, and then the previous month it was $626. So hopefully when they get back to me, I can actually get that, but as of right now, I haven't. Other than that, you guys, I didn't want to make this video super long, but if you've gotten to the end of the video, I really appreciate you. And I want to see a camera emoji if you made it to the end. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.